In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Adobe Illustrator files in vector format. Whether you're a graphic designer, an artist, or someone just diving into the world of digital design, knowing how to properly export your files is crucial for maintaining the quality and versatility of your work. Vector files are particularly important because they allow your graphics to be scaled up or down without losing any of their quality or clarity. To start, you'll want to make sure Adobe Illustrator is open on your computer. You can find the application icon either on your desktop or by searching for it in your Applications folder. Once you've opened Illustrator, navigate to the project file that you wish to export. It's always a good idea to double-check your work for any corrections or adjustments before exporting. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You will see File as an option on the menu. Go ahead and click on File. This is the starting point for dealing with your document's exporting options. The File menu contains a wealth of actions, including advanced settings for saving and exporting, which we'll be using today. With the File menu open, look down to find Save a Copy. Selecting this option is crucial because it helps to maintain your original file separately, ensuring that your original design remains unaltered while you create a new, export-ready version. By choosing Save a Copy, you're essentially bringing your design into a new format without affecting the initial work you've created. Now, you need to decide the file format. For our purpose today, we'll choose the AI format, which is Adobe Illustrator's proprietary vector file format. The AI format is preferable for maintaining complex design elements, multiple layers, and it fully supports scalability, meaning your design can be resized without any loss of quality. When you see the dialog box prompting you to save the file, simply select the AI format from the drop-down list of options. Remember to choose a destination on your computer where you can easily find the file later. Providing a descriptive file name could save you time in searching through your files in the future. Once you've set the name and chosen the AI file format, hit Save. This will prompt another dialog box where you can confirm a few more options related to the AI file saving process, ensuring optimal quality settings. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Adobe Illustrator file as a vector in the AI format. This allows you to preserve the integrity of your design for further editing or scaling as needed. Practicing this process will help you ensure your design files are just how you need them, whenever you need them. Thank you for watching. And I hope this guide helps you to export your designs effectively in the future.